And I gotta go sell some Christmas trees.
Have fun. Oh, wait, no, don't. I forgot. I am totally against that now.
What, me having a job?
No, I am against innocent trees being cut down in their prime and their corpses grotesquely dressed in like tinsel and twinkly lights. Hey, how do you sleep at night?
Well, I'm pretty tired from lugging the trees around. Hey, baby, listen, you got this all wrong. Those trees were born to be Christmas trees. They're fulfilling their life purpose by making people happy.
When some things are fulfilling their destiny, they are lazy, doing what they were born to do, wasting time.
Doing what they were born to do.
Really?
Yes. Yes, and the trees are happy too, because for most of them it's their only chance to see New York.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Well, I thought a lot about what you said, and I realized, maybe I was a little judgmental. Yeah.
Okay, baby, remember, hey, they're just fulfilling their Christmas
Destiny.
Sure.
Yes.
Right.
Okay. Yikes, that one doesn't look very fulfilled.
Oh, that's one of the old ones. He's just taking it to the back.
You keep the old ones in the back? That is so ageist.
But we have to make room for the fresh ones.
What do we mean when we say that something is fresh? It's clean. It's new. It has just been made.
Three of them. It's clean, it's new, it's just been made.
So what happens to the old guys?
Look, they go into the chipper.
Well, I have a feeling that's not as happy as it sounds.
Okay, and this one here's a Douglas fir. Now, it's a little more money, but you get a nicer smell.
Looks good, I'll take it.
Wait. No, you don't want that one. No, you can have this cool brown one.
It's almost dead.
Okay, but that's why you have to buy it, so that it can fulfill its Christmas destiny. Otherwise, they're going to throw it into the chipper. Tell them, Joey.
Yeah, the trees that don't fulfill their Christmas destiny are thrown in the chipper.
I think I'm going to look around a little bit more.
Hey, we gotta stop doing this. I'm working on commission here.
You guys, we got to pick out my Christmas tree.
Which of these does not mean the same as to pick out, to select, to choose, to leave?
C. To leave.
Well, look no further. This one's yours.
Is this the one that I threw out last year?
Oh, you know what? Never mind. Everybody wants to have a green one. Sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to get so emotional. I guess it's just holidays are just hard.
Oh, honey. Is that because your mom died around Christmas?
Oh, I wasn't even thinking about that.
Oh.
It's like Night of the Living Dead Christmas trees.
Hey, what's up? Well, I left my guitar here again.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Okay.
Okay. Here you go.
Okay.
Okay. What?
So you want to hang out or something?
You kind of caught me at a bad time.
Oh, are you in Chandler?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Do you guys want me to play for you?
Hey, Peeps, what's up?
You ask an intriguing question, Chandler, babe.